In today's video, I'm gonna create a shirt that I think everyone should wear who got those fake friends. Coming up. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie. And in today's video, like I said, I'm gonna create a shirt. Actually, let's say I'm gonna use DTF, right? Transfer that I create on the ET8550 and put on a shirt. You know, I'm gonna press it on a shirt, and this shirt, everyone would want to wear it. If you got, you got those friends that, they claim to be friends, but they talk behind your back. They always say something negative behind your back when you're not there. Well, I got the perfect shirt for you to wear around them. And I guarantee they probably will not compliment you on that shirt. But before we get into making the shirt, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and don't forget, after this little short video, smash that like button for your boy, drop me a comment, share this video. And remember, everything that I use in this video, I have a link down below. So I use DTFpro.com to print up these DTF transfer. So the link is down below, and check out my other videos here, about DTF, because I'm gonna be making a lot more DTS and sublimation video. And go get your #1 vinyl. No, actually one of the #1 vinyl in the world, the B-FLEX Gimme5. Go to the vinyl stand, link is down below, and check out Econo transfer. You're gonna love the Canon transfer, trust me. They got just go check them out. And also go to Heat Transfer Warehouse. Go get yourself a press. If you're a beginner, you're looking for the perfect press, heat press, mug press, whatever press, go to Heat Transfer Warehouse. You also get your sublimation blanks there. Anything you need for sublimation, you get your t-shirt, you get everything all in one. Heat Transfer Warehouse. Now let me take you into the video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
So there you go. This is the shirt. Check it out. That's right. Now, I guarantee you wear the shirt around those friends, they're fake friends, and they talk garbage behind your back. So, if you are talking behind my back, then you are in the perfect position to kiss my so anyway, this will be up on my website for sale. So, and this was done by DTF, okay? And if anybody's interested in getting inks or supplies, the link is down below. DTGpro.com. Link is down below. You could get it. All right? And hit up my website, www.comfortstyles.com. And that's all your boy got for you. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, you know what I'm going to say. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Drop me a comment. Until next time, this is your boy Flex. And I'm going to go rock this shirt. I'm out.